Hi guys, thank you for joining me on day 6 of Abstract Florals for the 100-day project. So as usual, I am using a reference which I am loosely using. So in true contour drawing, the point is to keep your eyes on the subject that you're drawing and not look down at your paper, and then just draw line for line what you see. And you're trying not to lift your pencil off of the paper unless you get, to a point where you're at the end of the page or something and you have to kind of reroute yourself. I am doing a mixture of that plus a kind of my own interpretation of the drawing. So it's not a true contour drawing because I am looking down and I am not following the subject exactly, especially since my paper wouldn't allow me to draw the whole subject. So as you could see, those are the florals that I chose, and I just flipped through the book. And whatever kind of catches my eye, that's what I'm doing. I was thinking that I might end up having to do some of them twice, or I'm not really sure yet. So we'll see once we get going. As far as materials, all I am using is my Daniel Smith palette. And I think it was video maybe for day 2 or 3. Where I do a screenshot of, you can see the colors that I'm using, or that I have actually. And so you can go back and look at those. And then I'm also using a Stabilo Marksol in a blue color, as well as my Pilot fountain pen that has blue ink. Now, what I noticed on this is that you can kind of see there, it was running a lot of blue. And normally I like that, but in this case, I had to kind of keep going back and dabbing some of the blue out so that I could get the color in there. So for the stems, for example, in the original photo, they're kind of a cream color. So the whole kind of bottom piece, with the exception of the actual flower, was kind of a tan color. So mine definitely is going away from that because of my blue ink. And so in the next day, which I was behind, so of course I did a couple days together, but you'll see, I decided to use a permanent marker. I'm also, just as a spoiler, I'm going and using some more mixed media stuff tomorrow. For day 7, you will see I am going to use some pastels, and I think that's it. And then I will be using some acrylics as well. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comments. And again, I really appreciate you guys coming on this journey with me. I can tell you for sure that doing these videos keeps me accountable, that I'm going to do it. I kind of messed up this weekend and kind of was thinking, my weekdays run a certain way, and then my weekends are kind of not like that. And sometimes I'll use them like a free-for-all, and I'll forget to do art, or I'm doing other things with my family, and so that's why I fell behind. And then I realized, I'm like 3 days behind. So doing these videos definitely helps me out with keeping up with that. So I hope that you're enjoying them. I am enjoying this project. And remember, feel free to join in, even if you're late to it. You can either hop on day 6 today, or you can wait or you can start from the beginning and do day 1 today for day 6. It really doesn't matter. The point of it is to get you doing something, to get you in the practice of just doing art every day. And for me, it makes me very happy. So I hope the same for you. But I will leave you guys with some music so that you can enjoy the rest of the process, and I will see you tomorrow.